Welcome, today in front of you Motorola Moto G22, and I'll show you how to check Android version on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll all the way down to the about phone section. After that, here scroll a little bit more down and tap here to the Android version. Now here you can set that on our case the Android version is 12. So when you keep tapping here, you can open the Easter egg of Android 12. So that's it. As can you see, that's so simple. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.